We'll guide you through how to create a QR code for a Google form. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on a Google form I've been working on. And so you want to go and create a QR code so people can go and scan it and go and access your form. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide, don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So having a QR code for your form is really convenient because people can simply go and open up their phone camera and go and access it. They can go and scan it and get taken straight to your form. Otherwise, they may need to go and type in a long link, which isn't always convenient, especially perhaps if you're doing it in person and so you're not emailing it to people. So the QR code for it is really convenient, and we're going to guide you through this step by step. So to get started, here we are on the form. What you want to do is come to the top right and we need to go and publish it if it hasn't already been. So press publish. Now what you want to do is you can just go and set responders to anyone with the link if it isn't already set to that. And then what you want to do is go and press done, and you want to go and press publish. You can go and see it now says published in the top right. Now what we need to do is go and grab the link for it. So in the top right, it'll go and say copy responder link. What you can do is go and shorten it if you want, but it doesn't matter too much as we are going to be turning it into a QR code. You want to then go and press copy. Now what we need to do is go and open up a new tab. Here we are. And we're going to go and type in a site called QR code monkey. Then you can come scroll down and this is it here, qrcode-monkey.com. Find where it says your URL. Now what you want to do is go and remove what's currently in here. You can then go and right click and go and press paste. Now what you want to do is you can go and customize this here. Personally, I don't. I just like to go and keep it simple. Come over to the right and you can go and press create QR code. Then it will go and generate it and you can go and press download PNG. Go and wait while it goes and generates. It shouldn't go and take too long. Now what we need to do is go and open up File Explorer and come to downloads. We want to go and find the QR code. Double click on it to open it. Now we're going to test that it works. So go and open up the camera app on your phone. And we're going to then hover over it, and then you can go and tap on it. And now we're going to get taken to the form and survey. That's it. You could then go and print this out or go and put it on a document somewhere. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.